Here's an update on how I put this order all together. I did the embroidery on the blanket and the bib, and then I even added embroidery to the back of the blanket, and then added the satin binding as well as all of the contents that were going into this basket. I added baby soap, baby towels, a book, teething ring, a teddy bear with a bow with the matching fabric that went into this ensemble, a personalized bib, as you can see, is finished, that is snapped, and a personalized onesie as well as diapers. And on the reverse side, there is that beautiful embroidery that ties it all together. So now let's add it to a basket. I rolled and folded the fabric items and packed the contents tightly. Then I wrapped the basket in mesh, made a personalized custom bow, and this order is ready to be delivered. I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, pin it along, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.